Waking up early to go to work. Oh, waking up early to go to a car show. Big shout out to Casper, if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how we wake up people here in the random household when they're supposed to be up early as hell for a car show and they're still not up. So here we go. This guy's gonna do great in the army. This guy is gonna have some issues here. Get your ass up, boy. Let's get going. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random. Right now we are at the Pilot gas station somewhere in Tennessee, and we are with North Alabama P71 guys, and you guys are about to witness something that's a very rare sight, and that is a full-blown Crown Vic convoy. So I'm gonna try to get some good footage of that. Either way, we're gonna be heading out to the Nashville Cars and Coffee, and it's definitely gonna be definitely break a lot of necks on the highway in a couple minutes. So like I said, I'm gonna try to get some good footage of this, and a big shout out to the North Alabama P71 tri-state, everybody that came out here today, man. Hell yeah. You guys already know I came out in the Hobo Cop on deck. You know how to bring it out, so it's gonna be fun, man. It's gonna be fun.
They told him, don't you ever come around here. Don't wanna see your face, you better disappear. The fire's in their eyes and their words are really clear. So beat it, just beat it. You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna see no blood, don't be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can. So beat it, but you wanna be fair. But you wanna be fair, just beat it. Beat it. No one wants to beat it, beat it.
People have no idea how to react to this. Look at this sight. People have no idea. I don't know if you guys can see the traffic behind me. Everybody's just literally, nobody's passing us. This is absolute madness. When a group of Crown Victorias take over the highway, man, it is absolute madness, guys. That's the only word I had for it.
It doesn't matter who spoke up right, just beat it. They're out to get you, better leave while you can. Don't wanna be a boy, you wanna be a man.
So you want to talk about shutting down, you want to talk about breaking necks. Look at these people recording, everybody recording the Crown Vics. Check them out. You want to talk about shutting down a car show, all it takes is a bunch of Crown Victorias to show up. Everybody, this GoPro's not capturing it. Every single person we got here early that is standing outside is breaking necks. I would compare this to about maybe like 30 Bugattis just showing up. The amount of neck breakage that is going on right now, it is absolutely ridiculous. Who would have thought that an old ass police platform, the Crown Vic, would attract so much attention? But you'd be surprised, man. This is what happens when we show up in full force. So okay, so I'm having to use the phone because I left the GoPro in the Hobo Cop to try to get some people's reaction to this ridiculous freaking Crown Vic. But as you guys can see, we finally made it to the Tennessee Cars and Coffee.
Born down in a dead man's town. First kick I took was when I hit the ground. And the dog, it's been way too much. Spend your life just covering up. Born in the USA. I was born in the USA. Got in a little hometown jam, so they put a rifle in my hand, send me off to a foreign land to go and kill the yellow man.
Alright guys, so I'm trying to get some footage here of the Crown Vic, but I actually want to introduce you guys to what's your name?
Jess.
And-
Elias.
And what's you said you have an Instagram?
Gas Pedal Kid.
So Gas Pedal Kid, does he also have a YouTube channel?
Not yet.
Not yet? Alright, well, you'll definitely be seeing yourself today, man. So you guys go check him out. It's Gas Pedal Kid at Instagram. Just like that, no space, no nothing.
Gas_pedal_kid.
Okay. Awesome. Alright, that's gonna be right here somewhere here on the screen, guys. But yeah, go check him out. That's a 240, but I got a thing for this body style Volvo right here. I love the fender flares on it, the stance, everything. Oh, and they got the louvers in the back. Oh, and they got the mufflers too. Dig it, man. Of course, out of all these cars, out of all the cars out here, she wants to see the one wrapped in Christmas wrapping paper. Of course. Look at this kid, man. Get down from that tree. This will win best in show right here for her. Best in show right here. Man, I'm all the way out here in the fringes of, oh, look at is that the Tesla with the gull-wing doors? It sure is. We'll get to that now, but yo, whoever this owner of this nice, it was like flat black Crown Vic, man, you should have been parked over there with us, somewhere over there. But man, if you're watching this video, oh, this is like rhino lining. Is it? Oh, it's rhino lining. Yo, that's nice. That is nice. That's never gonna get dirty. Damn. There's the Impala on deck. Let's go check this thing out. Damn, son. You weren't playing around.
Nowhere to run, ain't got nowhere to go. Born in the USA. I was born in the USA.
What is this? What is this? Were you sleeping in that tree? This guy. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. A big thank you to North Alabama P71. Like always, everybody showing up in full force. Keep an eye out next time, guys, for the next big Panther platform meet. It's going to be sometime closer to the summer, but we're planning on having over 60 Panther cars. Either way, it's your boy Mr. Random. It's time for me to go. We got a Boy Scout parade to go to, but big thank you to every single one of these guys that came out here to support the Panther platform. Look at this kid. Come on, baby. You're a trooper. We can go home now. Let's go.